So let me write this. Okay, let's assume that you have taken input from user. Okay, so you know that how many rows you want to print. So if we start I from 0, so for I in range 0 comma number of rows. So this loop is for what? For going on the rows. Okay, and then what I need to do, so those who are already done, right, those who are already done, they can look at board, or if you want I can give you one more program where you can just try out printing this A B ABC ABCD. Okay, those who are already done, they can try out this one. So others, have a look on board. So for I in range 0 comma n, what's going to happen? We are going to iterate until we reach what? N, right? So that means 0 to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So total is what? 4, and value of n is also what? 4. Now what's the next step? The next step is to print what? Spaces. How many spaces you want? N minus I minus 1. N is 4, I is 0. So 4 minus 0 will be what? 4. 4 minus 0 will be what? 4. So you will give actually 4 spaces, but you want to give how many? 3. Same when I increases, when I becomes 1, you want how many spaces? 2 spaces, right? So n minus I, so n minus 1, 4 minus 1, minus 1. So it will automatically give how many spaces? 2 spaces. Okay, so the second loop that we need for printing spaces for j in range 0 comma n minus I. Do I need to write minus 1 here? What do you think? Because we are starting from 0, we need to write minus 1. If we were starting from 1, this would not have been needed. समझ रहे क्या? It's just, if you start from 1, you don't need this, but if you start from 0, you need this. Are you getting it? Because when you start from 0, so it's going to be n is 4, 4 minus 0, minus 1 3, so 0 to 3 मतलब 0 1 2, 3 वैल्यूज लेगा ना. ओके, सिमिलरली अगर मैं 1 से स्टार्ट करता हूं तो और ये कंडीशन रखता हूं तो 1 and 2 only will come, so it's 2 spaces. So if I, in case of 1, I should remove this, so it will be n minus I. Are you getting right? So for j in the range 0 comma n minus I minus 1, right, what we need to do, we need to give what? Space. So we will either give this way, or you give here what? Backslash t, and comma for 2.7, for 3.x you will give what? End equal to double quotes start double quotes complete. Is that clear? Clear to everyone? So this will be for whom? Spaces. Then next, for I can use here j again. Now this loop and this loop are in the same scope, they are same aligned, they are not inner. Many of us while writing will do a mistake that will put this inside. It's not that. You gave spaces, now you need to give what? Star. So how many stars for j in range, and we are starting from 0, right? So we have to consider this formula, 0 into number of rows minus plus 1. So we'll start from 0, and the formula will be 2 star n plus 1. 2 star n plus 1. So just do 2 star n plus 1. So what will happen? Okay, so right now we are going this way, but then this, okay, let me change it. This was for the reverse. Yes, Basre. See, this condition was for the below part. Are you getting it? This conditions was for the this part, this one and this one. Right now we are considering the upper part. Okay, so in upper part, when we are starting from 0, so what we will do is 2 star n plus 1. If we do, what's going to happen? We are going to give more star. So instead of n, what should I give? Instead of n, what should I give? I. Why? Number of, when I go on the next row, the stars are going to increase. So instead of n, I should give what? I. So 2 star I plus 1. Okay, and then you print what? Star and give what? Backslash t and comma, right? And then on the same alignment you give what? Print backslash n. That's it. So just verify it. What happened? So some stars are coming extra. The pattern is going in the wrong way. So what you did? Zero comma n minus I plus 1 and then बरोबर ना. ओके, जस्ट अ मिनिट. काय होत असेल इथे अजून? अरे तुझा बॅकस्लॅश एन चुकीच्या ठिकाणी गेलाय. तेच म्हटलं असं का होईल. समजलं का? आलं का? हां, see this backslash n by mistake he gave in this for loop, the outer loop. It was not there in any for loop, and that's why the pattern printing was different. Yes. So you done with AB? Those who were already done with AB. You can use %C to print character and then just check that start with 65 because it's capital. बोलो क्या हुआ? वर्किंग नहीं, अलाइनमेंट गलत हुआ है. चलो, नंबर ऑफ स्टार्स गलत. J in range. You gave here star. Why you gave here star? That's just space, right? See, try to understand the division. If you understand the division, you will realize that this problem is actually easy. First loop is for spaces, next loop is for star, and outer loop is for those number of rows. केले का रे होमवर्क सगळे? का रे? Is that clear? Done? Ram Prasad is not there. Samir is there. Lokesh Joshi is not there. Okay. किरण आलाय ना? समीर काय झालं? अरे विनय कुठे आहे? का रे काय झालं? ओके. हा हाफच आहे ना. आता आपण प्रिंट करताना दिस प्रोग्राम इज नॉट फॉर होल स्टार. ओके, this is not going to print the complete diamond. It is just upper part. So don't expect that after this program you will see the complete diamond. Diamond you have to complete. Okay, now I have given you how to print the upper star. You print the reverse star and then you combine both of them. हाँ, काय झालं? हो, कारण तू कॉमा दिला नाहीयेस. आणि कशावर करतोस? पिरियड एक्स आहे ना, मग एंड इक्वल टू द्यायचा. टॅबची गरज आहे ना, किंवा एंड इक्वल टू बॅकस्लॅश टी दिलं तर गरज नाहीये. सेव्ह कर आणि रन कर. हार्ड कोड का केले पास. डन. मेन लिख रहा है क्या? मेन. आर यू राइटिंग मेन? यस. ओके. क्या हुआ? हाँ, अभी जस्ट चेक करो ना आपने क्या किया. देखो आपने यही पार्ट यहाँ पे आपने गड़बड़ किया. ऊपर एंड दिया, यहाँ पे एंड दिया नहीं, तो सब एक लाइन में आ रहे हैं ना स्टार. यहाँ पे भी देना चाहिए ना एंड. ओके. नाउ रन इट. डन एवरीवन. %c. use %c. See, so those who are doing this 65 wala program, right, or this AAB, you can see this. C is equal to 65, print %c, that the variable name is also C, that's why you can see it's printing A, not 65. So that's the end. हाँ.
इंडिव्हिज्युअल कंडिशन आमचं साधन आता ह्यासाठी म्हणजे केलं ना, ह्याची एक ह्याची एक ह्याची आणि ह्याची अशी एक कंडिशन.
हाँ चालेल ना, डिवाइड करा ना, तसंच करायचं असतं युजली. हे आता असं नाही झालं पाहिजे, हे नव्हती, ही लाईन नव्हती झाली पाहिजे.
पॅटर्न मध्ये त्यामुळे मी
नाही नाही नाही, मी सांगितलं होतं ना ती लाईन नाही पाहिजे म्हणून. ती लाईन नाही पाहिजे. हा, इथे बॅग ठेवायला खाली कप्पे. ओके. हा, पण हे फक्त शनिवारीच येणार आहे. हा, ऍक्च्युली मी आता बोलतो सरांची, पण नेमकी त्यांचं काय आलं, देर इज अनदर बॅच that they are taking for CPT and they are taking it over there and that starts at 10 o'clock. So I will see if that gets adjusted to 11, then we will take from 9 to 11 over there only. But if that doesn't get adjusted, then Saturday we will be meeting here. I know many of you will like that Sunday bhi yahan pe aate hain, but few of you will be there who will say no, because many of you are coming from this side, right, either Kothurud or on side. So for them this is closer. Let's see, we'll update, we'll keep you posted. But right now the thing is, it's going to be like this. If you're coming from Deccan, right, it's equidistant. If you're coming by bus to Deccan, you will see that it's equidistant. From Deccan you go their class, that room, or you come here. It's exactly same. हाँ, मतलब सेम रेडियस पे है वो. डन. ABCD क्या झालं? So today we will be starting with list now. What happened? Okay. So while going for diamond, right, take here one row less. So from the beginning itself, right, from the beginning, if you see for diamond, you are not going to print 9 stars or 7 stars. You will start with 5. So that you need to just handle. You getting? So you need to handle that. So if n is 9, n is, in this case n is 4, right? N is 4. So you actually consider n as 3 when you enter in the second part. If you do that, it will work. हो गया क्या ये? Done? Good. So done everyone? कुठला? हा वालाच नाही होते का रे? बोर्ड वरती लिहिलंय तसाच्या तसा लिहून नाही होते. काय चुकवलं बघ बरं, जरा कंपैरिजन कर. देखो जरा उन्होंने क्या गलत किया है, चेक करो. चलो अब देखते हैं हम. बघ रे अमय, काय चुकवलंय बघ. तुझं काय गणित? माझा तुल्लास आहे. अरे वरती का स्टार दिलाय मित्रा तुम्ही? मी तेच म्हणतोय, तुम्ही बघा जरा नीट. अजून एकाने सेम चूक केली होती. तुम्ही इथे स्टार दिसते का हो तुम्हाला लांबून? स्टार दिसतोय का? दिसतोय का स्टार? मग का दिला? तू काय चुकवलं असणार तुला मी सांगतो. तू 3.x वर रन करतोय का 2.7 वरती? कॉमा दिलेस बरोबर. आर यू शुअर यू आर रनिंग ऑन 2.7? तेच म्हणते मी, प्रोग्राम होणार आहे. आउटपुट जे वेगळं येतं ना त्याच्या मागचं रिझन आहे की तू फॉर्मॅटिंग काहीतरी चुकवलं असणार आहे. दे लॅपटॉप पुढे. बोलो. None. Okay, I got it. What you are doing is, okay, many of you might see that there is none getting printed in your program. How many of you are seeing that? None getting printed in your program. So those who have written for this pattern, right, a function, and then you are calling that function, okay, and whatever result is coming, if you are printing that result is going to be none. Why? Are we returning anything from this function? So if you are not returning anything, you will get what? None. If you do what? Just a minute. अरे तू ना गंमत काय केली माहिती का? टॅब स्पेसेसचे ते गोंधळ घालतो तेच. सेम केलंयस तू. तो बॅकस्लॅश एन जे याने जे चुकवलं होतं ना तीच चूक आहे. मला सांग बॅकस्लॅश एन कुठे आहे? हा, या फॉरच्या लाईनीत आहे का या फॉरच्या लाईनीत आहे? तू कुठे दिला होता? या फॉरच्या लाईनीत दिला होता. बघ तुझाच प्रोग्राम आहे, मी काही चेंज नाही केलं. बोलो. हाँ तो अभी ढूंढो, अभी आप गलत कर रहे हो. इंपोर्ट करो पहले. Okay, those who are trying to do it from Python prompt, right, and you have written your program function properly, you can do import and then call that function. We have already seen that, right? I hope main is clear to everyone. Okay. Man, where is star? There is no space, there is no star. So how diamond? And it's not a diamond, it's half diamond.
हाफ डायमंड आहे.
Yeah.
कंप्लीट केलं पण तो प्रिंट करताना ना काहीच प्रिंट करत नाही.
कारण काहीच येणार नाही ना, तू स्पेस फक्त प्रिंट करतोय
घेतोय ना मी, इकडे इनपुट घेतोय ना त्याच्याकडे
ना. ओरडला ना तो. int object is not iterable. Go there. See, you took only one thing. Why you are taking char another thing? Or okay, so you are taking two inputs. Okay. So star comma backslash n will come here. Okay. So just print that instead of here, right? Put a print statement. Go to end. And why you are calling returning diamond here? You are returning a function, right? Why? Sorry. Command Z. Okay. This is not needed. This return is also not needed. Now where is your backspace key? Now just before call this, right, before this call, put a print statement. Print char and n. It should come. क्या हुआ? क्या नहीं हो रहा है?
नॉट डिफाइंड बोल रहा है, कहीं कुछ तो गड़बड़ कर रहा हूँ.
Def star1. Because name star1 is not. Why you are doing like this? I just said, right, import star1.
वो भी किया तो उसके बाद भी एरर दे रहा है.
No module name star1. What is your file name?
Star one.
But S is capital. And are you on desktop only? You have saved program on desktop. Yes. So you are on desktop only.
On desktop only.
Yeah. So import S capital star 1. So it's imported and there is an indentation error. Now see that. Yes. Done. कशासाठी उलट्यासाठी विचार करा ना थोडा इथे सी try to put this condition up and this condition down. So just try to realize how many spaces you are doing when you are in reverse way and how many stars you are giving. Just try to realize that, you will understand it. Probably इथे जे काही आपण start करतोय, right? So instead of this, right, I will start in the reverse way. So I will take this as start point and up to 0. No, this I will still keep how many spaces I want now. In reverse way I am starting from I. So when it's I want 0 spaces. So I will start with, then on the next line it's going to be 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. So it is as good as I spaces. Now I am changing my code for reverse part. So I will do what? J in range 0 comma I. So I is 0. So 0 0 means no space. Then 1 space. Then 2 space. Then 3 space. So this should work. Yes. This will give the spaces properly. Now the next point is I need to give number of stars, and those number of stars should be actually, so one way is 2 star I plus 1 and then 2 0. So 2 star I plus 1 will be what? No, that value will get initialized. Okay, so I is increasing, so number of stars will increase. I cannot do that in way. Okay, what I can do is 2 star n minus I plus 1. So n is 4, 4 minus 0, so 8, 8 plus 1, it will give me 9 stars. So n minus I minus 1. So n is 4, 4 minus 0, minus 1 is 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Then I increases, I becomes 1, n minus 1, so 4 minus 2, so 4 plus 1, yeah. So I have the condition. Now you have to decode it, whether that condition is right or wrong. 2 star n minus I minus 1 here and then plus 1 outside. So you have to decode it, whether this will work or not. झालं का काढलंय काय नवीन लाईनला येत आहेत मग कॉमा दिला नाहीये बरोबर एंड होत नाहीये बरोबर so I have written the reverse logic also. Those, how many of you are done with A B C D? Okay, done, good. So there can be now again multiple combinations like mirror image, diamond. That's why I have asked you to define these functions in such a way that they take the character as input and then they go in that way. Now here there is one more change because you are increasing. But let's say if I wanted to print just A, all A's, right, then it would have been same as star, just you would have replaced here what? A. That's why I have asked you to define a function in such a way that it takes which character to print and number of rows. So it will automatically work for all. If you want printing B, it will work for B. If you want X, it will work for X. So this function, right, you will just def pattern char comma n, and then here instead of this print star you will do what? Print %c, and then here you will give %char and give comma. That will be the small change. अगर हमें कोई भी यूजर देता है, अभी स्टार की जगह पे यूजर ने डॉलर दिया, so I want this pattern to get printed with what? Dollar. So what you will do right now, you will copy all the for loops, you will copy the function, you will create another copy, right, and print diamond or pattern diamond, and then instead of star you will do what? Dollar, right? Instead of star you will give what? Dollar. Now what I am telling, instead of rewriting those functions again and again, better is to take which character to print as an argument, and then while printing instead of star you print what? That respective character. That's it. That's the small change. समझ रहे क्या? To make it generic, you just do in that way. Is that clear? कृष्णा हो गया क्या रन? कर रहा हूँ. पहले वाला हो गया ना? First one is done, right? Or you are facing problem with first one? First upper half is done, right? Below half? Okay. So below half में आप डायमंड में एक्स्ट्रा स्टार आ रहा है ना? हाँ, that's going to come. That adjustment you need to do. तू परत प्रिंट असं का केलंयस? हा, आता फक्त एवढंच रन कर. कारण इथला ब्रॅकेट राहिलाय इव्हॅलचा. Done, Roshan? Where it is blocking? So you are using while loop. Okay. So while row not equal to max, while I not equal to max. Now what happens in this case? You are changing max? No.
Max is the number of rows that will be common.
Right. And you are, see, there is one problem here. You are doing I plus 1 outside this while loop, and while I not equal to max, this will become an infinite loop. Why? Because your I is not increasing. I should have increased in the loop, right? Now at least there will not be an infinite loop. You have to still think of, okay, row is now also getting incremented, right? Okay, and your I is starting from 0. Now you need to reset I somewhere, right? Otherwise what will happen? Once I reaches max, right, inner loop is not going to execute. So it will always execute only once, whereas you want it to execute always. Right? So when the outer loop of row is executing, right, you want that ith loop should also execute and go and print the stars or whatever is the pattern. So every time you need to initialize I to 0 or 1. Okay. Now think of that your max variable. Think of your max variable. So while I not equal to max, so you are doing that. Now you want every time I to reach max, or you want some condition on that? Max is the number of rows, right? So do you want it to reach every time to the max, or how it is? Or it should actually reach to the value of row? Every time I should whether reach the value of row or should it reach the value of max? So change the condition. एक स्टार प्रिंट होत नाहीये. हा म्हणजे हा एक एक्स्ट्रा येत आहे आणि इथे एक गेलाय बघ. नाही इथला तरी ठीक आहे. इथे एक स्टार कमी नाही. इथे एक ऍक्च्युअली एक स्टारच हा एक नाही. इथे थांब जरा एक रो चुकली आहे. इथे अजून एक रो आली पाहिजे. तू इथे काय केलं माहिती का? हा जो आहे रेंज एन वाला आहे ना, हा n-1 कर. सेव कर, रन कर. आता तू बघशील तर हा एक एक्स्ट्रा आहे,
हो.
पण ॲट दी सेम टाइम हा पण एक एक्स्ट्रा आहे बघ. ॲक्च्युअली तू बघशील तर ही साईड पूर्ण एक्स्ट्रा आहे बघ,
हो.
ही साईड पूर्ण एक्स्ट्रा आहे. म्हणजे तुझा खालचा जो प्रिंटचा लॉजिक आहे ना, त्याच्या कंडिशनमध्ये तुला अजून एक चेंज करायचा आहे.
हा बरोबर आहे इथे.
हां, हा जो एन नाही तो एन मायनस आयच ठेव आणि इथली खालची कंडिशन चेंज कर ना, एन मायनस 1 ठेव. म्हणजे तू ऑटोमॅटिकली एक रो कमी जाशील ना,
हो.
कारण वरती 4 आहेत तर खाली 3च आहेत ना,
हो.
तेवढंच चेंज आहे. आणि हा जो तू केला ना एन मायनस स्टार 2 मायनस आय मायनस 2,
हो.
तर हा -2 नाही केलास तर तो ॲक्च्युली काय आलं रोशन, गेलं का पुढे?
तो एक्स्ट्रा घेतला म्हणून मी -1 -2 केला.
ते आलं लक्षात मला तू काय केलं ते. जस्ट ट्राय टू इमॅजिन दॅट यू आर देअर, सो 2 स्टार एन मायनस, हां तू लॉजिक तिथलं जे आहे ना हे कर, ते ती कंडिशन टाक, 2 स्टार एन मायनस आय मायनस 1 प्लस 1 कर रन. आणि हा ॲक्च्युली एन मायनस, हां तू हे आहे बघ, हे जे हा जो लूप आहे ना, हा जो एवढा वाढवला आहेस एवढी जी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कंडिशन केली आहे, त्याच्याऐवजी यू कॅन जस्ट कीप दिस कंडिशन सिम्पल ॲज आयची जी व्हॅल्यू तेवढी स्पेसेस आहेत ना, I0 तर 0 स्पेस, I1 तर 1 स्पेस, I2 तर 2 स्पेस. कर रन. हां, आता अजून जरी बघशील तर इथे अजून आपल्याला हँडलिंग करायचं आहे. ओके, सो यू आर गिविंग रेंज ॲज ओ, हे 0 पाहिजे ना. कर आता रन, कर रन. 0 नाही दिलं तरी तो 0 घेणार आहे बाय डिफॉल्ट. एकच मिनटं, हां राईट. We start this, we want here one more less. ओके, अलाइनमेंट सगळी इकडे आली आहे, पण कारण स्पेसेस जे आहेत ती पहिल्या केसमध्ये आपल्याला एक स्पेस पाहिजे. हां, तर बरोबर आहे. डन डन. कुठला शेवटचा स्टार एक एक्स्ट्रा येतोय ना, म्हणजे लास्ट रो येत नाहीये, लास्ट रो येत नाहीये. आणि इथे येताना कसं येते, आर यू गेटिंग दिस ॲज, सो यू आर ट्राइंग विथ रिव्हर्स 1 और यू आर ट्राइंग डायमंड राईट. सो इफ यू आर ट्राइंग डायमंड, आर यू गेटिंग लाईक दिस, आणि मग खाली येतंय तसं येतंय का. सो यू वॉन्ट टू रिड्यूस दिस, देन दॅट ऑटोमॅटिकली स्टार विल गो. सो थिंक ऑन दॅट, थोडा विचार करा and do it as a homework, try it out. Okay, now let's try to understand list. And those who are not able to do this a b, right, that's homework. It's simple, it's not at all difficult. You need to start with 65, which is an ASCII value of capital A, and then you have to increase it. So it's like 65 plus I or J, whatever is your loop.
पण हे कसं येणार मग, सपोज मी ए पाठवलं, इनपुट मी 2 पाठवतो, एक कॅरेक्टर आणि एक
ए इन्क्रीजिंग वाल्यासाठी ते फंक्शन चालणार नाही.
हां ते
हां, इन्क्रीजिंग वाल्यासाठी ते फंक्शन चालणार नाही. ओके, नाही त्याचं वेगळंच फंक्शन लिहायचं, कारण यू वॉन्ट इट इन इन्क्रीजिंग राईट. दी पॅटर्न इज डिफरंट. इफ यू आर प्रिंटिंग सेम, व्हॉट इज ट्राइंग टू डू इज this function, right, this where we are passing character as input, he is trying to print this. That will not work. Why? Both patterns are different. Here it prints all A, right, and whereas here you are thinking of printing it in increasing order, so you'll have to define a different function. पण जर काय युजरला सगळे एच पाहिजे असतील तर म्हणून मग दोन वेगळे फंक्शन लिहायचे ना. बोथ दी जॉब्स आर डिफरंट, सो राइट सेकंड फंक्शन. ASCII value you can get it by assigning or typecasting it to integer. Whatever is there, right? Let's say you do ch is equal to a, okay, and then typecast it to int. See, x is equal to int of c. I am printing x. You'll see x is 65. And c is what? If you want to see c, okay, I had taken actually c as 65. I will change c is equal to capital A, and then I will do x equal to int c. So you will not be able to directly convert to string to integer. You will not be able to do. Current it has this value error. Because \0 comes in, so you cannot directly typecast it. Okay, so few homeworks just to try them out, okay, on patterns only. So write a program to accept number of rows from user and print pattern like this. This is homework. So this is going to be, you will get number of rows as input. Okay, now if you see, right, there is only play with the display. Loops will still going to remain same. It's just play with the display, what information you are putting forward. समझ रहे? उतना दिमाग लगाओ. Other for loops are already with you. Is that clear? समझ रहे? In diamond, those who are getting one extra star, right, try to reduce this one, because what is happening is you are trying to combine the above function and below function together. In below function, number of rows are going to be one more, so you want that one less, okay, and at the same time you want one star less. So try to play with it, you will be able to do it. It's not difficult. Good. So there is झालं ना? Good. So anybody has any doubt on import statement? Is main clear to everyone? Is main clear to everyone? Is main function clear to everyone? So it's our way of making that language or main as an entry point function. Otherwise in Python there is nothing like entry point function, because it's a scripting language. The parsing starts from the very first line. Okay, so till date we have covered the primitive things, the basic programs. Okay, now let's try to explore some capabilities of language itself and try to use them to do the programs. Okay, so the next thing that comes in, so when we are learning any language, so we try to learn now what are the containers or what are the way by which I can store data in this. At the end you are doing data processing, so important point is what? Playing with the data, storing the data. Storing is the first part, then comes the play part, right? So for storing, we saw this primitive types, we use int, string, right, floating numbers, complex number. Now let's try to understand the other data structures. Okay, and the most important data structure that Python has is dynamic array, and that is nothing but known as list. I have already just explained you what it is. Okay, so let's now try to understand that in more detail. So list is a mutable collection of heterogeneous elements. List is a mutable collection of heterogeneous elements. So it can contain heterogeneous elements and it's mutable also. What I mean by mutable? You can change one of them. Immutable means you cannot change it, like we saw in string. When we take name is equal to Jitendra and we do name of 2 is equal to J, or we try to change it, we get what? An error. That string is immutable, but list is mutable. What I mean by mutable? You can change it. Okay. So list in Python is represented with square bracket or the array bracket. List in Python is represented with what? This array bracket. So if you want to create an empty list, you can do like this: L1 is equal to empty. So this one will be treated as what? Empty list. This one will be treated as what? Empty list, as it's not having anything. Now you can just open your Python prompt and just try this. So L2 is equal to 1, 2, 3 in square bracket, and then try to print type of L2. Just try to print type of L2 and tell me what do you see. What do you see? Class list. What you are able to see? It says it's class list on 3.x. On 2.7 it will be type list, right? So those who are on 2.7, for them it is going to be what? Type. Okay. Now next step is, let's try to perform some operations on it. Let's say I want to add something in it. So I want to add an element to it. So the method to add an element to a list is append. L2 dot append. Let's say we append 4. L2 dot append 4. Append will result into adding an element to a list, and adding that too also where? At the end. It will not at the beginning. Now if I want to display the elements of the list, what I can do? For x in L2, print x. Range function we saw. Range generates what? A list. We have already seen, right? Range generates what? A list. In 3.x we have x range, which also generates a list, but it's like a generator. So when you iterate, then only it will generate the next element. If you don't iterate, it will not generate. We are going to see that later. Yes. So it's not taking actually length of L2, but it's taking the elements of L2 one by one until it reaches end. So it realizes internally that you have reached what? End. And then it prints index wise. So this, if you had to do, right, what you would have done? I equal to 0 while I less than len L2, right? Print L2 of I and I plus equal 1. This you would have done if you would have used what? While loop. And you are explicitly taking the iterator. Whereas over here, now when we are using in, we already know that, right? If it's a list or it's a range, what happens? X bounds to each value one by one. Okay. So you can try this one also. Just try it out. Yes. Yes. We are going to see. Hold on. Now what if I want to add a list at the end of the list? Her question is that only, that she wants to add multiple elements at the end of list. Now if you use append, so first, have you done this one? Everyone? Have you done with this try? That while loop try? Ho gaya, Krishna? बघूया आधी इथपर्यंत पोहोचू दे सगळ्यांना. डन डन विथ while loop. Try this out, try all this out instead of prompt. Create, or if you are trying it out on prompt it's fine, but then copy paste it and put it in one file as well, because this is where we are trying to understand what is a list and how we can work on it. नागेश तुझा प्रोग्राम चालला का? तो मगासचा हे पण गरजेचं आहे. a is equal to 65. ओके, आयला तू तसा उलटा फिरवलास मग आतमध्ये 0 करण्याच्या ऐवजी.
हा कोड नाही ॲक्च्युली मॉडिफाय करत होता नंतर, कारण मला ते 4 व्हेरिएबल्सचे 3 व्हेरिएबल्स करायचे होते. असं कोड इकडे
डन.
4 व्हेरिएबल्सचे 3 करायचे आहेत मला.
हां, रो इक्वल टू 0 केलास ना, आणि मग मॅक्स रोज. ठीक आहे, आणि मग आय इक्वल टू ओके -1 ला स्टार्ट केला का? बरं ठीक आहे. ओके,
त्याचे 3 व्हेरिएबल्स कसे करता येतात?
तर तू
त्याचे एक्स्ट्रा व्हेरिएबल
हा जो रो आहे ना, ती त्याची गरज नाही आहे. मग त्याच्याऐवजी यू कॅन जस्ट थिंक ऑफ इट की काय व्हॉट कॅन यू ऑप्टिमाइज ऑर दिस जस्ट होल्ड ऑन. तू कारण रो घेतलाय रोजसाठी, आय घेतलाय आतल्या लूपसाठी, त्यामुळे तो तर पाहिजेच आणि ए पाहिजे. म्हणजे आय रो आणि हे बरोबर आहे, म्हणजे हे लागतीलच एवढे. यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू रिड्यूस. सी, 1 you need for number of rows, so that is your row variable. It's going till max r. 1 variable you need for the printing part. Now while printing you are iterating and you want to have a variable which has 65 and you increase it. त्यामुळे तुला 3 व्हेरिएबल तर कमीत कमी लागणार आहेत. Without 3 you will not be able to do it. Done, everyone done? Done? Is that clear? Now try to add multiple elements to it. First try to add it like this. L2 dot append 4, 5, 6, or let's say we have already added, right? So add 5, 6, 7 and tell me what do you see. Are you seeing any error or what it does? You seeing what? Error, right? Everyone? Yeah. So the argument to append function is only one single argument it takes. Okay. So then the option remains with you as to make it a single argument is this, surrounded by square bracket, surrounded by square bracket. But then you will see that it shows like list containing list. If you see the output, you will see that it looks like now list containing list. Can you see that? Can you see that? It shows now like list containing list. Did you expected that, or you expected that two things should be together? What was your expectation? You wanted that to be part of the outer list only, right? But it has gone as a one element, right? So then this list has provided, or Python has provided an additional function known as extend. When you want to add a list as part of the outer list, you should use extend instead of append. Now how you will accept a list from user? Same using input on 2.7. While giving, you will give square bracket. On 3.x also you will give that, but you will use outside what? Eval. Okay. So write a program to accept a list from user, and an element whose presence in the list is to be counted, or whose occurrence in the list is to be counted. So output is going to be what? Count. For example, if you input 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 7 8, again 5, and I give another input as 5 element which is to be counted. So what will be the output? 3. Why? Because 5 is occurring 3 times. Is that clear? Will you be able to do it? Do it fast. So we'll give you 3 minutes. This is a 3 minutes program. Let's see. समझा क्या? प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट क्लियर है क्या? You have to accept a list from user and an element from user, और वो एलिमेंट लिस्ट में कितने बार है वो हमें चेक करना है, और आउटपुट में क्या दिखाना है, वो कितने बार प्रेजेंट है. ओके, सो यू नीड दिस लूप, this one, and while iterating you just need to check what if x equal value count plus equal 1, count should be initialized to 0. समझ रहे क्या? आप करते हो ना, मेरे पास ब्लू कलर के कितने टी शर्ट्स है, so that's how you are counting. It's a list and you go and count it. कोणी आणले सर? लॅपटॉप कुठे रे? आम्ही त्याला दाखव रे, बघतोय ना. आज दोनों क्यों गायब है? ये दोनों सो रहे. तुम यू स्टे ऑन द सेम फ्लैट और हाउ इट इज? ओके, ओके फाइन. काय झालं रे? बंद आली होती काय सिस्टीम? नाहीच आम्हाला मेसेज आलेला की तिला ही बॅच कंटिन्यू नाही करता येते. म्हटलं ठीक आहे. सुटला का मगाचा प्रॉब्लेम? हां, बॅकस्लॅश एन नाही तर देतो. प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट बाय डिफॉल्ट बॅकस्लॅश एन देतो. काम आदिला की थांबतो. लिखो जल्दी. हाँ, काय लिहिलंस? परफेक्ट. इनपुट एलिमेंट एंटर लिस्ट, राइट? नाउ you have to do what? You have to iterate on that list and check if that element is present, and if it is present you need to count it. बरोबर ना? सो इटरेट साठी काय करशील? हे अपेंड करायची गरज आहे का? अपेंडचं चुकलं ना. अपेंड काय कशाला करतोय? फॉर लूप लाव. फॉर y करत हा. एक्स ऑलरेडी आहे ना तुझा, y इन L2 बरोबर, कोलन एंटर. इफ y इक्वल x बरोबर ना, कोलन काउंट प्लस इक्वल 1. आता काउंट तुला ऑलरेडी घ्यायला पाहिजे, वरती घे काउंट व्हेरिएबल आणि 0 कर त्याला, इनिशियलाइज टू 0. परफेक्ट. काउंट प्लस इक्वल 1 काउंट मध्ये अपडेट करायचं ना. हां, एंटर. आता बाहेर पड लूपच्या, बस प्रिंट काउंट. डालो दो प्रोग्राम, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में डाल के डालने का, हाँ कॉमा सेपरेटेड वैल्यूज, so def count L1 count equal to 0, right, y or for x in L1, I need here one variable also, L1 comma key, if key equal count, sorry, not key equal count, if key equal x, count plus equal 1, and then in that function I return as output as what? Count. This is t, huh? Not plus. संपला, एवढाच प्रोग्राम आहे. Done everyone. कृष्णा, क्या कर रहा है तू कृष्णा? दिखा जरा मुझे, देखना पड़ेगा मुझे थोड़ा तेरे बार. हाँ दिखा क्या कर रहे हैं. फिर क्या किया था गड़बड़? वैल्यू लो ना उधर. So if you start practicing, right, you will realize that it's a common sense. It's just that you are not practicing, that's why that thinking is not triggered, that's it. क्या हुआ मुकेश, वो कर दिया कैंसिल आपने? ओके वो कैंसिल कर दो चेक, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं लगता वो कुछ होने वाला है उसका. Done everyone done. So is it working fine? Now there is directly built in count method on list. Okay, we wrote our own, but there is a directly built in count method on list. You can do L2 dot count 5. You can do L2 dot count 5. So it will tell you how many times 5 is present in your list. हाँ एलियन ब्रॅकेट मध्ये इटरेटर म्हणजे लिस्ट दिलं नाही ते बघ की. Alien is a global method. That's why you see it's not L2 dot alien, but it is alien in bracket L2. Whereas if you look at other methods, right, they are invoked on list L2 dot append, L2 dot extend, right, and you will see that L2 is getting modified. In case of string, when you are doing append, you see that it returns you new string, whereas in case of list you see that your existing list is getting modified. ये सबके अगर आप return value लोगे, if you try to just take, right, x equal to L2 dot append or y equal to L2 dot extend, you will get none, because they change your container. It's like object Jitendra dot walk, who walks? Jitendra. Similarly L2 dot extend, who is extended? L2. हुआ क्या? वर्क हुआ? Key is the one which you want to count. तुझे काउंट करना है लिस्ट में कौन सा एलिमेंट कितने बार वो जो एलिमेंट है उसका काउंट करना है ना, तो वो एलिमेंट जो है वो आई हैव कॉल्ड इट एज की. So to call this function I will call what? Count list comma 5 if I want to search for 5. वन एलिमेंट जो है उसका काउंट ना, मैंने प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट में क्या कहा था? हाँ, यू काउंटेड एवरी, यू फाइंड आउट लेंथ और व्हाट यू. हाँ होल्ड ऑन, हैव पेशेंस फॉर दैट. Clear to everyone? Is that clear? Is so I hope you will say that sir there was count method, then why you asked you to write us on our own, so that you understand how that count is implemented. That's the simple reason. Is that clear? Clear to everyone? Now if you want to insert some element at a specific index in a list, with append I am able to add it at what? End, right? But if I want to insert at some specific location, so then I can do this. L1 dot insert, I should give the position, let's say position is 2, and then give the value. L1 dot insert, position as 2, and then give the value. चल रहा है तुम्हारा? काउंट चला बराबर? गुड. हाँ ओके. आता जो हा जो काउंट ऑकरन्स है ना, instead of printing it over here, right? You directly use this one. No, don't use this one. This x dot count will give you okay, you printed both of them, right? Okay, fine. This fine. Just try to make sure that this function doesn't have any print statement. Usually return that and print it in main so that it can be reused. Okay, अभी ठीक है, समझने के लिए ठीक है. Done? हाँ ठीक है. So if you see insert method, right, it is taking as index and putting that element at that respective index, right? Try to give a value of index which is not in the range. See what happens. Try to give the value of index which is not in the range. हे काय केलंय तू? लिस्ट ऑफ आय कशाला केलंय? फॉर आय इन एलियन लिस्ट. राडा घातला ना सगळा. व्हाईल तरी वापरायचं इथे. जेव्हा फॉर वापरतोय ना तेव्हा डायरेक्ट कंटेनरवर इटरेट कर ना. कशाला आय वापरतोय? इंडेक्स कशाला घेतोय? फॉर एक्स इन एलिमेंट दिलं, लिस्ट दिली ती की डायरेक्टली एक एक व्हॅल्यू घेणार ना एक्स. आता कर रन. डन. Try to insert at a position which is not in your list, so it should be out of range. Yeah, so what do you see in that? So if I take L1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, and then I give L1 dot insert 100, 1. So if you observe in insert, if you give a index which is out of your range, if you have 10 elements and you give index as 100, it adds at 11. It adds at end. समझ रहे? Is that clear? Clear to everyone? Is that clear? Okay. So that is about insert. Then let's say if I want to remove an element. So to remove there are two options. The first one is pop. Try to call this and print the output of this. If you are doing it in script, do put print. Tell me what pop is returning. It is returning last element and removing it from the list. Try to print your list again. Everyone is doing it, right?
We have tried giving -1 as an index value.
Huh?
But it is replacing second last variable.
Yeah, because in that case what will happen is whatever is there, right, -1 is the index of last variable. It's not second last, it must be replacing the last one. So okay, it's adding actually at that second last, and then the last element actually goes to the next. That's right.
And here also if you replace that, if you given
It's not replacement, it's addition. Insert is addition. Okay, it's not going to change your location. If you want to change, you use L1 of square bracket of 2 equal to 4. So it will replace that location's value. Yes, yes. Insert is like adding at the specified index. पहिली पोझिशन आणि मग कोणाला टाकायचे ते. नन रिटर्न करता है बिकॉज इट चेंजेस योर लिस्ट. तुम्हारे लिस्ट को उसने बदला ना, तो रिटर्न में क्या दिया, कुछ भी नहीं, इसलिए नन प्रिंट होता है. कारण 100 तुझ्या ह्याच्यात नाहीये, मग तो काय बघतो, शेवटचं काय आहे, तिथे तो ऍड करतो. बराबर ना, नन ही प्रिंट होगा ना. तुम प्रिंट एक्स और प्रिंट वाई, एक्स को प्रिंट करो ना, ए और बी को नहीं. दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड. इफ यू ट्राई टू take the return values of append extend, it's going to be none. Why? Because they change your list, they don't return anything. तुम्हारी जो लिस्ट है वही चेंज हो रही है, तो रिटर्न में क्या मिलने वाला है, क्या, कुछ भी नहीं. समझ रहे? So with pop if you see, it's always removing last element. check कर रहे क्या? Are you observing that it's always removing last element? Pop is always resulting into removing last element, right? Now to pop you can specify index as well. If I specify L1 dot pop 2, so you'll find that it is popping the second index. Popping is removing. Popping is removing. Can you see that? काय झालं, काय झालं ग गौरी? कुठला लूप लावलास तर? काय, कसा लावलास तो फॉर लूप? प्रिंटच्या वरती फॉर लूप लावला तर ते येणारच ना रिपीटेडली. पण मग मला एलिमेंट्स खाली एक एक एलिमेंट पाहिजे ना, मग हे काय, याने तसंच येणार ना, एक एक एलिमेंटच येणार आहे. तर ली लूप यायलाच पाहिजे. क्या हुआ मुकेश? वर्किंग? ओके. सो आर यू एबल टू सी दी मेथड पॉप? Pop works on index. If you don't pass any index, by default it takes last index. Okay, and do remember this is an important method. This, for doing one assignment we will be needing this. Then if you want to remove based on element, instead of index you want to remove based on data. Okay, then there is a method known as remove. L2 dot remove 1, provided 1 is present, otherwise there will be an exception. L2 dot remove 1, so it will remove 1 from my list. It is not going to remove all the occurrences, but it's going to remove only first occurrence. नहीं तो बोलोगे सब निकल जाएगा क्या? नहीं, अगर 1 100 बार है तो सिर्फ पहला 1 ही निकलेगा. हाँ, तर तुझा लूप बघू मला. कारण तुझी जी लिस्ट आहे ना, एक्स कॉमा वाय, मग काउंट घेतला, मग प्रिंट एक्स डॉट इन्सर्ट 0,1 फॉर, एकच मिनिट काय, अहो मॅडम तुम्ही एक्स प्रिंट करताय, डब्ल्यू नाही. बोल ना, करायची आपल्याला असाइनमेंट. His question is, if I have list inside list and I want to iterate on the whole, Okay, instead of that we are going to do an assignment where you will be having a list containing multiple list. Okay, output should be single list. Hold on for that. Okay. Okay.
माझ्या लिस्ट मध्ये दोन 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 वेळा आहे. मी इथं रिमूव्ह दोन केला तर तो फक्त
पहिला रिमूव्ह करतो. It will always remove first occurrence. Okay, then let's say if you want to reverse the list, what you will do right now? Write a program. आप ये आज जाके घर पे या ऑफिस में जाके करना. क्या है? Write a program to reverse the list. So you have to write your own function which returns what? The reversed list. लिखो चलो start. क्या म्हणतं? चार्जिंग संपलं का? पुढे बसू शकतो का? इथे आहे एक्सटेन्शन. फक्त तुला इथे पुढे ह्याच्यावर बसायला लागेल. इकडे नाहीये. इकडे आहे एक सॉकेट. इथे बस. प्रोग्राम करशील. तुमचं ऑफिस कुठे? वारजेला आहे ना? ओके, ठीक आहे. म्हणजे इथनं मागणं जाता येईल. पडला. तू हल्ला की तो पडायचा. काय कराल रिव्हर्स मध्ये? व्हॉट इज युअर थिंकिंग? Okay, pop and see. If you use pop, what is going to happen? What I said, it's okay. It's going to remove last element. What I said, I want to reverse the list, and that should be my return value. Did I said that your original list should be modified? Your original list should not be modified. Original list is going to remain like that. I want in return a new list, which is what? Reverse of the original. So pop की जगह पे क्या करो अभी? क्या करोगे अभी pop की जगह पे? Remove करोगे तो भी वही निकालने ही वाला है ना? Put an iterator which starts from length and comes till 0. और एक एक एलिमेंट लो और अपेंड करते रहो L2 को. इनपुट लिस्ट लो L1 में, इनपुट लिस्ट लो L1 में. Now iterate on that list from last index. So start from what? Length of the list. Start from length of the list. Keep on decreasing. Keep on decreasing. Access one element. Access one element and then do what? Yes. Append to other list. And there is one more simple solution. If you are interested in that, or you know that actually, string में जो हमने किया था ना रिवर्स करने के लिए, देखो जरा करके चल रहा है क्या? What it says? L1 colon colon -1. So it's working and it's a new list. So मेरी सब criteria satisfy हो रहा है ना? Original is still original, right? And return you have got the new list. Can you see that? And then there is a built-in method reverse as well. The way count is there. Similarly, reverse is also there, but that changes your list. Your original list is modified. If you do L1 dot reverse, it will modify your original list. समझ रहे क्या? Are you getting it? Everyone? Is everyone getting this? So write a program. कुठलं कोलन कोलन -1 काय एरर ब्रॅकेट दिली का कारण तू फंक्शन ब्रॅकेट नाही दिले फंक्शन ब्रॅकेट दे ना फंक्शनला कॉल कर ना L1 डॉट रिव्हर्स और L2 डॉट रिव्हर्स फंक्शन ब्रॅकेट फंक्शन ब्रॅकेट म्हणजे हे बघ हे वाले हा हे दिलं नाहीयेस तू now to see more help on it, right? So everyone go on Python prompt and type Python prompt म्हणजे तो 3 arrow वाला type help HELP in bracket list LIST and just close the bracket and try to go through it and tell me what all things you are observing. Help list. So you have to do this HELP in bracket list. Just try to go through it and tell me what is not clear or what is your observation. Then we will understand what all findings you have or what is not clear. So first of all you will see that it is printing two constructors. One is a new empty list and another is a initialized from iterable items. That means you can create list like this also. X is equal to list Jitendra and you will find that individual character is treated and it gets added into a list. So J will be first one, E will be next, E will be next, T, E, N, it's like that. Just try it out. So X equal to list. Hence, those who have used list as your variable name, काही जणांनी program लिहिताना your variable name is also list. Avoid that because you are overriding the existing definition of list. Python will not give you any error. Python will not give you any error, but when you try to call some functions like append, remove, okay, and then you will face an error. It will say that no method found on list or no method found on that variable. Why? Because you defined a variable named as list which did what? Which suppressed the actual meaning of list. Okay, that's why you should avoid using the variable names as same as primitive types. Okay, so then what you see? Methods defined here, right? And you must be seeing all methods which are defined with yes underscores, right? What you are observing? Aren't there multiple underscores? Can everyone see that? Underscore underscore add underscore underscore, right? What do you think? What it must be doing? काय करत असेल? खाली त्याचा थोडा अजून डिस्क्रिप्शन दिले बघा. X dot underscore underscore add underscore underscore y and then there is a double arrow and they are telling what? X plus y. So now take this. L1 is equal to 1 2 3 on your prompt. L2 is equal to 4 5 6 and just do L1 plus L2. It concatenates the two lists and returns you new list. It's not changing L1. L1 change नहीं हो रहा है. L1 is still same, L2 is still same, but you have in return a third list, which is what? A concatenated list of L1 and L2. Can you see that? Now this L1 plus L2 is actually internally resolved like this: L1 dot underscore underscore add underscore underscore L2, and that's why you see their mapping is like that. Can you see on help? Everyone is there, right? On help, can you see this? So this is like an operator overloaded method. C++, how many of you are aware? Operator overloading, compile time polymorphism, right? So what we do? Human 1 plus human 2, right? Now human is an object which doesn't have plus method, but what you do, you write an operator overloaded method, and then you are able to do what? Add two humans. Okay, so here L1 plus L2 is an operator overloaded method which internally invokes whom? This method. This is all underscore underscore add underscore underscore. So the methods which are with underscore prefix and suffix, they are usually what? Operator overloaded methods. They are usually what? Operator overloaded methods. We tried this, right? X in L2. Now here X bound to everyone, but if you want to check, like let's say if 1 is there in not, so what I will do, if 1 in L3, right? What I will do? 1 in L3, and it will return true if it is found, otherwise it will return what? False, right? It will either return true or it will return what? False. Now this 1 in L3 is actually executing L3 dot underscore underscore contains underscore underscore 1, and you can see there is that method. Can you see that in the help? Can you see that, everyone? Right? Then there are methods like the way we use remove and pop, right? There are global methods like this. You can use del x of 2 or del L1 of 2. Now this is same as calling L1 dot pop in bracket 2. This is same as calling L1 dot pop in bracket 2. Okay, so del L1 of 2 will actually is nothing but similar to what? Removing that element, and this actually internally invokes, there is a built-in method underscore underscore del item, and it will remove that. Are you getting it, everyone? Similarly, you can compare two lists like L1 greater than L2, L1 equal L2. Now what it does when you are doing L1 greater than L2, so it actually invokes L1 dot underscore underscore GT underscore underscore L2. Just go below, you will find that there are those methods. Okay, so these all underscore underscore methods are what? Operator overloaded methods. So there is EQ, there is G, there is get attribute, there is get item. Okay, then there is a get slice, so X I colon J, then there is GT, then I add, then I multiply. So this I add, I multiply, if you see, they are actually going to change your X. The previous add was not changing X, but when you do X plus equal Y, when you do L1 plus equal L2, what happens? L1 plus equal L2 is what? L1 is equal to L1 plus L2, right? So they have mentioned that also. So can you see that? And then you go, you will find that after those underscore underscores are stopped, you will find this append, count, those methods are there. Append, count, extend, index. Can you tell me what is index method doing? What index method is doing? First index of whom? So it is actually searching an element, right? And if it is found, it returns the first index. If it is not found, it does what? Raises value error. Just try it out. You already have on your prompt list, right? Just check it out. L1 dot index, give some value which is there in list, and then try with a value which is not there in the list.
हेल्प कमांड इथे चालत नाही लिस्ट साठी
खरं लवकर जागा त्याला.
आम्ही बाकी पण सर्च करू इकडं डॉक्युमेंटेशन तुम्ही एक मग सांगितलं लिस्टला जर तुम्ही असाइन केलं म्हणजे मी लिस्ट हा ऑब्जेक्टच घेतलेला आणि त्यात असाइन केलं त्यामुळे झालं का बघितलं क्लोज करून पाहिलं तर
नाही आहे तुझ्याकडे सेटअप इन्स्टॉल नाही आहे हेल्पचं हे. Anybody facing the problem while executing help command? Help is coming, right? केलं कॉल बघितलं not in the list, value error, right? Everyone able to see that? You are giving 10 is not in the list, and then you just give L1 dot index, so you didn't pass anything, then it will not work. Is that clear? Then you see the insert method, pop method, remove method, reverse method, and sort method. Can you see that? Can every one of you see that? Is that clear? So is the methods of list clear? Are the methods that we can invoke on list clear? Okay, so write a program. प्रोग्राम लिहिल्याशिवाय कळणार कसं ना, मेथड कळल्यात आणि वापरायचं हे कळणार कसं. राईट अ प्रोग्राम. To implement a stack, what's the time? Okay, so just make a note of this, and after that I will give you another program which will be smaller, and we will do this. So you give a thought on this at home and we do it tomorrow. Okay, write a program to implement stack using list. What is a stack? Stack is a data structure. Okay, and what is the interface of stack? So it works in last in first out, that is the order in which it works. Okay, interface means the methods that we should define when we say that I am implementing a stack. Write a program to implement a stack using list. Okay, so now the next question is, what is an interface of a stack? When I say that something is a stack, so it must provide some methods, right, to operate on that. So what methods a stack provides? Now I hope every one of you have gone to a buffet dinner, right, or a buffet lunch also. So if you see there is a stack of plates. Now while creating that stack of plates, somebody had kept one by one, right, and while picking up, you pick the one which was kept in last in first out, that is the order of the stack. Now when we think of an interface, so interface is like operating on that. So methods which are used to operate on that. So one is putting on the stack, which is known as what? Push. Now you will push until what? Until what? So you kept on putting up plates. You will stop sometime, right? Otherwise what will happen? It will tumble down. So you will have that some limit. Let's say 100 plates. Why? So that calculation is easy. Per plate you charge. So you will create multiple stacks of 100 plates. So 100 is what? A limit. When you reach 100, you stop. That is the stack full condition. That condition is known as what? Stack full. Okay. Now the people start coming in. They start having dinner. So what they do? They pick the plate. Now they are picking from the last order. So the one which was kept last. So they are doing pop. Now until what time they will do pop? Until there is a plate. Plate nahi hai to kya karoge? Right? So that is the stack empty condition. That is the stack empty condition. Okay. So when you reach empty, that means what? Now you cannot pop. But can you add? Yes. Is that clear? So interface is push, pop. While push, you need to check whether it is full. While popping, you need to check whether it is empty. So 4 methods. Okay. So think of it. You can implement it. They are easy. They are easy because internally you have to just invoke what? List methods. Internally you have to just invoke what? List methods. Okay. Write a program. To accept a list of integers from user. Write a program to accept a list of integers from user and display maximum and minimum out of them. So this you have to do it now. Minimum and maximum out of them. समझ रहे हैं? एक लिस्ट आएगा आपको इंटीजर्स का, उसमें से जो छोटा है वो और उसमें से जो मैक्सिमम है वो हमें एज अ आउटपुट शो करना है. इज दैट क्लियर? स्टार्ट. तुला सापडलं शेवटी जॉनी वॉकर.
इथूनच कॉल केलेला, इथंच उभा होता. मला पंचवटी म्हणून मी पुढे गेलो.
नाही भाई, तुला म्हटलं ना आधी राईट साईडला बघ.
मी इकडून आलो लॉ कॉलेज रोड.
मग तेच. अच्छा, वरनं आला का? हा.
रिव्हर्स करतोय मी पहिला अपेंड यूज केलेलं. तर इन्सर्ट करतोय.
अपेंड कर की.
अपेंड केलेलं पण म्हणलं अपेंड एरर.
काय एरर येते अपेंडला का? दोन आर्ग्युमेंट का देतोय अपेंडला? फक्त व्हॅल्यू दे ना.
इन्सर्ट होता ना अगोदर.
हा
ते घेतलं.
हा. दोन कसलं राड घालतोय.
मी टेस्ट करण्यासाठी बघत होतो.
व्हाईल आय ग्रेटर दॅन 0 कर, 1 नाही, ग्रेटर दॅन -1 कर, कारण 0 पर्यंत जायचंय तुला. आणि आय कुठे सुरू केलाय? लेंथला ना. लेंथ -1 ला जा, कारण लेंथ 5 आहे तर इंडेक्स 4 आहे, म्हणून आय लेंथ -1 कर. झालं की मग संपलं. आता काय राहिलं? कॉलेज है? ओके, थैंक यू. अरे दैट्स फाइन. तुम क्यों जा रहे? कितने बजे? ये प्रोग्राम खत्म करके जाओ. उनको जाने दो, वो सिखाने वाले हैं ना. आप एक ही गाड़ी पे नहीं हो ना? हाँ तो फिर क्या. ओके, टुमारो एट आवर लोकेशन. हाँ काय नाही नाही, सॉर्ट वापरायचं नाही. हा स्मार्ट. यू डोंट हॅव टू यूज सॉर्ट मेथड. ओके, no sort method has to be used, no built-in method has to be used. L2 of I कुठे करतोय तू? अरे तिथे L2 of I काय करतोय?
अच्छा, डायरेक्ट
फक्त
आय सॉरी.
हा,
L2 of I ने पण
नाही चालणार ना. I ऑलरेडी त्या इंडेक्सची व्हॅल्यू आहे ना. I 100 आहे. L2 मध्ये पहिली एलिमेंट 100 आहे. मग मग काय करतो असं? कंप्लीट करो, घर पे जा रहे. कॉलेज में वही कौन सा लेक्चर है? ढाई क्या? ओके ठीक है. 2 मिनट में होएगा रे प्रोग्राम, एकदम सिंपल प्रोग्राम है. See, the simple approach is take 2 variables max and mean. Okay, call first element as max and first element as mean. पहले वाले को ही बोल लो ना, अगर 50 लोग हैं, अभी मुझे पता नहीं किसकी प्रॉपर्टी ज्यादा है, राइट? आई विल कॉल फर्स्ट वन एज मैक्सिमम और फर्स्ट वन एज मिनिमम. and then I will start comparing with the next. So I will put an iterator and I will start comparing with the next elements, right? While comparing I will check कि next element max से बड़ा है क्या, अगर बड़ा है तो max equal to that, अगर next element mean से छोटा है क्या तो mean is equal to that. खत्म. एक for loop, उसके अंदर ये दो if statement. That's it. Do it. बोल बोल. अजून सुटायचं, एक 10 मिनिटात सुटेल. हाँ ओके बाय. लिखा का डन. आदित्य तेरा वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हुआ क्या, मल्टीपल बकेट्स का? हो गया ना? ओके गुड. नाउ व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट?
अभी तो फिलहाल उसी में करना मींस मॉडल्स अभी बना रहे हैं.
ओके
डेटाबेस से ज़्यादा काम हो रहा है.
ओके. तो विनायक से मिलता है क्या रोज?
नहीं नहीं, अभी तो लास्ट टाइम मिला था 15-20 डेज.
ओके ओके. So he is actually working on that storage part. He is doing that with Amazon Cloud. So AWS के साथ connect करके उसके buckets. How many of you have to work later on that? Anybody on AWS? Okay. So Python has a decent support, okay, and it's very easy. It's very easy. You have to just follow the steps that are given. You will see that you are able to connect to any AWS machine and then you can actually work like you are on that machine. Done? Good. Done? झालं का गौरी? व्हायला पाहिजे. क्या कर रहे हैं? रिवर्स लिस्ट. हाँ आता फक्त फंक्शन मध्ये टाका, मेन लिहा. हे सगळं फंक्शन मध्ये टाका. L1 जे आहे ते मेन मध्ये घ्या. ओके, आणि L1 ह्याला पाठवा. पूर्ण स्ट्रक्चर करा प्रॉपर. सवय लागेल म्हणजे, आणि चांगली सवय ही कधी पण उपयोगी पडते. हाँ कहाँ पे रुक गए तुम? काउंट क्यों ले रहे? लेंथ लो ना. यू नीड लेंथ राइट. अरे क्या कर रहे हैं? सी व्हाट यू नीड. मुझे बताओ, if you have 50 things in front of you, right, and I have given you that you have to find out the maximum and minimum in that, what you will do? Will iterate on one by one, right? Now you don't know who is maximum, who is minimum, so call first one as maximum, first one as minimum, and then start with it. Arun, कुठे पोचला? हे बघ अलाइनमेंट चुकली. हे आतमध्ये पाहिजे ना.
नाही डिफाइन खाली आहे ना
मेनच्या. अरे बघ, नाही तर बाहेर पाहिजे ना. हा आता फक्त मीन मॅक्स जे ते इनिशियलाइजच नाहीच केलेस तू, बरोबर ना. मीन इज इक्वल टू L1 ऑफ 0. सॉरी, C++. max is equal to L1 of 0. Okay, and now you start if L1 of I. हे पण दोन्हीची कंपॅरिझन वेगळी पाहिजे रे. काय करतोय तू?
काय झालं?
जरा विचार कर. तुला कोणाशी कंपेअर करायचंय? L1 I जे का मीन शी?
L1.
नीट बघ, हे जे ना हे चुकवलंयस. आणि फक्त सामान्य माणसाचा विचार करून, म्हणजे तुझ्या हातात जर का मी तुझ्या समोर 10 माणसं ठेवली आणि त्यातला उंच आणि लहान कोण आहे हे जर का तुला शोधायचं आहे, तर तू काय लॉजिक लावशील ते सांग. ह्या लूपची पण खरं गरज नाहीये, उगाच आहे हा लूप. दॅट्स इट. आता तू विचार कर आणि मला सांग काय करशील तू. तुझ्याकडे एक मिनिमम आहे, एक मॅक्सिमम आहे. कोणाला सांगितलं तू त्याला? पहिल्याला, बरोबर ना? आणि I1 ने सुरू कर. हे बरोबर होतं तुझं थिंकिंग, कारण एक एलिमेंट तू ऑलरेडी घेतलाय, तर मग कशाला परत तिथनं सुरू करतो ना? 1 ने सुरू कर. बरोबर. पुढे L1 ऑफ I म्हणजे नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट. हा जर का लेस दॅन L1 ऑफ I प्लस 1 का पहिला, ज्याला तू मीन म्हटलाय? तू I प्लस 1 जर का केलं तर तू दोन कॉन्सिक्युटिव्हली कम्पेअर करतोय. दॅट इज सॉर्टिंग. आर यू सॉर्टिंग? Try to understand. It's simple thing, okay? Try to understand. See, these are the lines, and you are not able to see all the lines. Assume that you are blind. And I ask you to find out minimum and maximum out of it. You only have an option where you have what? You can go one by one. You cannot see all of them. So what you do? You call this one as max, and this one as also what? Mean. And then you start your comparison from second, right? Now when you start your comparison with second, with whom you are going to compare? With next elements or with the one you have called max and mean? Of course we have to compare all the elements, that is absolutely right. But when you are taking second element, third element, what is your reference of comparison? This one, right? पहले वाले को तुमने max mean बोला है ना, that becomes what? Your reference for comparison, right? So while comparing, you will compare with this max mean. So you will check that whether this one, that means if L1 of 1 greater than max, then max equal to L1 of 1. No need to write else. Next condition will be if L1 of 1, that is L1 of I, where I starts from 1. If L1 of I less than mean, mean is equal to L1 of I. That's it. समजतंय का? L1 of I आणि L1 of J compare करशील तर that will not work. Okay? चला पटकन करा पटकन. It's simple. काय रे? हा सुटेल एक 5 मिनिटात. हो तुझं तिकडच आहे. हाँ 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 ठीक है. ओके बघ. ओके बाय. See the simple thing. Okay. Def max mean L1, max equal to mean equal to L1 of 0, right? Then I equal to 0 while, or I equal to 1. I will start from 1. Why? Because 0th is already considered. While I less than length of L1, while I less than length of L1, what needs to be done? Yes, if काय करू मी? बोला. If L1 of I is greater than max, then max equal to L1 of I. If L1 of I is less than mean, then mean is equal to L1 of I. संपलं. आणि इथे I plus equal 1, so that I go to next elements, and at the end in the same column of while return max comma mean. That's it. In the last return max comma mean. जाओ. प्रोग्राम हो गया क्या? हाँ समझलं का अरुण? कुठे चुकत होता? So think from the reference perspective. You were thinking right की तुला दोन दोन एलिमेंट कम्पेअर करत जायचंय, पण तू अडकला कुठे, पहिला दुसरा दुसरा तिसरा, त्याच्यात अडकला. आर यू सॉर्टिंग? नो. So you call first one as max, first one as minimum, and then start. Is that clear? Clear to everyone? You should not take minimum or maximum as 0. Why? There can be a problem. If there is no 0, right, your minimum will remain 0 and 0 is not there in the list. That's why take them as first element. Is that clear? Clear to everyone? So as a homework, give thought on the stack, okay, and then try to write a program. So I am giving many, or you want me to give one more program, or what is your thought, or you want to complete the previous? Complete the previous, but there are few who want few more. Okay, so let's have something. Write a program to compare two lists element wise. To compare two list elements wise. So you have to compare one element, and if they are same, you will call them as same. If that is different, you will call that lists are different. Is that clear? All the elements should be same. So sort them. Accept two lists from user. Sort them. Call what? L1 dot sort, L2 dot sort, and then compare. So if both have same elements, then lists are same. Same elements, now you are sorting, so it will be in same order also. Okay, is that clear? Otherwise, if they are not sorted, right, or if they are unordered, then still they can have same values of elements, right? Then in that case the comparison will be different way. So better to make it simple, sort them and compare. Yes, of course, that is what. So hold on, let others also think. You are right. First you will compare the length. If length is not same, you just directly say bye bye. Is that clear? Okay. So see you tomorrow at our old location at 9:30. Okay. Try to go through the third presentation. We have started with third one and we will continue with third one.